If you don't like dealing with hair shedding but still want luscious locks, then keep watching. We know the struggle, the endless hair care routines, the promising products that just don't deliver, but it's okay to ask for help. Meet Mielle Organics, Rosemary Mint Oil. This miracle blend isn't just for one hair type, it's for all of us. Whether you have tight curls or flowing waves, this oil strengthens, nourishes, and smooths out those pesky split ends. And let's not forget the soothing relief it brings to a dry scalp. It's like a spa day for your hair. So, why keep struggling? Give your hair the love it deserves. Click the link in the description and start your journey to hair restoration and revival today. Because healthy hair is happy hair. And you deserve to feel fabulous every single day.